Hello guys, my name is Sergey Uzlov. I am in Kyiv. In front of me is a monument to Mother Ukraine, and I am on the site of Kyiv-Pechersk Lavra, the oldest monastery and church complex in Kyiv. It was founded in the middle of 11th century. And last night, just several hours ago, Russia attacked the monastic complex with, I don't know exactly, missile, maybe drone, it doesn't matter. This monastic complex included in World Heritage list of UNESCO, and now you can see some man who is indignant about action of Russians. And here old women, they praying for God. God is only, but these women are backers of Russian Orthodox Moscow Church. They are old people, and we usually don't pay attention at them. And let's get closer to the place of destruction. And over there you can see some church without dome, a golden dome. It was like this. It is very sad. It is very sad, to put it mildly, but it is our life. Every day they attack our civilian infrastructure, and as you can see, last night they attacked a Christian shrine. By the way, Moscow has roots here in Kyiv, and not far from here is Церковь на Берестові, where his body, maybe not body, relics of Yuri Dolgoruki, the prince, those who founded Moscow. The main destructions are behind this mural, but that place is off limits, and there is some police checkpoints there. They don't let go inside. Well guys, I usually stream from streets and squares of Kyiv, but I'm afraid that this place has not stable internet, so I decided to record this video. Please guys, subscribe my channel, and I'll show you a lot of other places, places of destructions, and also historical places. Oh. Hello, my friend. Hello. So you still live in Kiev?
Yes.
Yes. So you travel a lot around
yes.
the world.
Yes. But
Yes.
I'm back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the main distractions are behind this.
Behind there
behind
and then some here as well. Yeah, there's
Yeah.
multiple
Yes.
places.
It is off limits place. They
Yeah.
don't let to go.
Yeah, they're still trying to repair everything, and I think the fire is out, but I think they're still managing it. Yeah. Hopefully everything will be okay.
Okay. Stay safe.
Okay.
Okay. It is famous American blogger. I know him. I just forgot his name. A bit later, I'll find it. He has a lot of subscribers on his channel. He's friend of Ben Bolton Bancroft. He traveled with him, but a bit later I'll comment in one of my comments. I named his name. Oh.
Да. Потому что я как раз он там в доме живу и вижу, что по высоте как раз мой этаж. И там, на этаже.
Well, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and also if you want, if you have opportunity to support family of refugees from Donbass, eastern part in Ukraine, so you can support my channel through Donatello. Donatello, even small amounts of money will help me to hold out this terrible war. Thank you very much. See you soon.